Aka na yan. Ikaw
Do you
mag-hawak.
wanna paint it?
Ikaw mag-hawak na ito. Atis po. Ano yan?
I just want to
I can manage.
stop ko na.
Paglabas na lang muna para makuha tayo. Sabi ko sa'yo. Ililipat ko. Sige, tama yan.
Very nice.
What? Oh.
Nakakonect sa akin. Balik tayo dito.
Well, you can't hear me, yeah?
I think it's kind of my headphones.
Don't do that when we're separated.
Yeah, I know, pero my headphones are on.
Ganda. Oh, wow.
Because we can eat in the bus. We
Napasa na
don't
tayo.
have a time.
Yeah, we have time na.
A lot of
Meron pang
time.
15 minutes. Okay, first is here.
Ayan, no, yan.
Ako tayo. Okay,
Okay, alam ha.
okay lang yan. Dito.
Stop ko na.
Stop ko na, tapos picture.